but in Andhra Pradesh itself. Why the focus is so significant? It's the Jana Sena that won 21 seats in Andhra Assembly elections, scripting a political blockbuster. And the hero of NDA's victory in Andhra Pradesh, many are saying, is in fact Pawan Kalyan. So let's take a look first at this special profile of Pawan Kalyan.
The OG superstar of Tollywood, a mass hero with crores of crazy fans. He's known for his action scenes with his punch dialogues. Pawan Kalyan now has brought the same massy presence into politics, and how? A sample of that from one of his rallies.
I'm standing in the midst of a Pawan Kalyan rally in Gannavaram, close to Vijayawada. And this right here is the grace for superstar Pawan Kalyan. He's just reached. Look at the crowds as he greets every single person who's gathered here, welcoming and thanking everyone who's come here. All of these are massive Pawan Kalyan fans. I have never seen anything like this before. But he seems to be enjoying every moment of what's happening right now. Thousands of his supporters, fans, who are getting up onto each other to shake hands with the power star, doing everything they can to not just catch a glimpse but also interact with him, to just touch him. This right here is the craze for superstar Pawan Kalyan, with smiles patiently appreciating all the love and warmth that he's receiving. You can see there that the people have pretty much surrounded his vehicle.
But while this craze never translated to votes so far, this time Pawan Kalyan's Jana Sena has hit it out of the park. Winning all seats that they have contested, PK, the power politician, is clearly here to stay.
Sir, you've done the impossible here in Andhra Pradesh. There's a fine line between politics and film. It's all come together here at your rallies, sir.
No, because when I was in films, I never came out. I never gave hardly I used to give interviews, hardly I used to perform and do functions along. Apart from if people wanted to see me, they used to see me on screen. But first time, I think I got into politics only from 2009 onwards. I started being in public, and I'm deep down, I do what I say. I think it is more than cinema. They connected with my thought process. For me, I'm motivated more to restore, to strengthen democracy. Democracy cannot be taken granted. You should do your bit part. That's how I think I got myself into political process at an early age, maybe 17, 18. I started getting into that. That's why I was more of a social responsibility. I think slowly, that's what was reflecting in films. And I think that graduated me to politics. Definitely, I want to serve nation, without a doubt.
So first step is Andhra?
No, not in terms of, for me, even right now I serve. It's not something, maybe it is not known to the entire nation, but I do serve. I do serve nation in whatever way, maybe communicating a thought, communicating about national integrity, communicating about certain policies, and I do communicate. So politically, if that makes me, I think, a substantial amount of spoken Hindi is needed, definitely. It's not just English. I think spoken Hindi, the grip or command over Hindi language is very essential.
Prime Minister Modi also acknowledged the political superstar's stunning performance in the elections.
अरे जो यहाँ दिखता है ना पवन, ये पवन नहीं आंधी है.
Now, all eyes will be on whether Pawan Kalyan will be the new Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra, as he's now made the successful transition from films to politics. With Akshita Nandgopal, Bureau Report, India Today.